Hello everyone. Remember the gate project I was working on? Well, I added a latch to it and with stuff I had, lying around and spare parts with different things. The wasps are out in full swing today. Well, there's one I think just went under inside there. I had this all up done real nice, and then the wires come falling down. This is made from a toolbox. I had to drill a hole to put a screw in there, and 2 washers and a part to a screen door. You put that up over that, and then you really have to shake it to get it to come undone. And then what you do is unlatch it. Just do that. Just plain and simple. Not what I was wanting to do, but there it is. And then that way, if it gets windy, the wind can't blow it. It's nice and tight. So there you have it. So thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one.